Have you ever felt a searing pain shoot through your tooth and wished for a magic cure? Or maybe you struggle with stubborn digestion issues that just won't go away? Believe it or not, the answer might be hiding in your kitchen cabinet. That's right, the humble clove, a common spice used in countless dishes, holds surprising health benefits. From potent pain relief to fighting free radicals, cloves are more than just a flavor enhancer. But before you go overboard adding them to everything, there are some important things to know. In this video, I'll be talking about the science behind cloves, exploring their impressive health potentials and possible side effects. I'll delve into their history in traditional medicine and show you how to use them safely and effectively. So buckle up and get ready to discover the hidden parts of this tiny spice. Hello nature lovers, welcome back to Nourish Nature. Cloves have a rich history and have been used for centuries in both culinary applications and traditional medicine. Native to Indonesia, these dried flower buds were a valuable commodity prized for their unique flavor and aroma. Cloves have a sweet, slightly bitter taste and are highly fragrant. They are commonly used as a spice in cooking and baking. In Ayurvedic medicine, cloves are considered a warming and stimulating herb with digestive, respiratory, and immune-boosting properties. They've been traditionally used to treat indigestion, nausea, vomiting, and bloating. Cloves may stimulate digestive enzymes and aid in nutrient absorption. They may also help expel intestinal parasites. The warming properties of cloves are believed to help with coughs, colds, and asthma. They may also help loosen mucus and ease congestion. Like modern uses, cloves have a long history in Ayurveda for promoting oral health. They were used to treat toothaches, gum infections, and bad breath. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves may be beneficial for managing joint pain and inflammation associated with arthritis. Today, cloves remain a popular spice used in cuisines worldwide, adding warmth and depth to dishes. Don't let their small size fool you. Cloves are bursting with nutrients. They are a good source of fiber, manganese, and vitamin K. But the real stars of the show are the potent compounds they contain, like eugenol, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant which makes up between 70% to 90% of cloves' essential oil. These compounds are what give cloves their health benefits. Here are some of the most promising health benefits of cloves supported by recent research. Eugenol, the superstar compound in cloves, is a natural anesthetic. Studies show that applying a diluted clove oil solution topically can be effective in relieving toothaches. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. Research suggests cloves may help reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. Cloves have been used for centuries to soothe digestive issues. Studies indicate they may help with nausea, vomiting, and indigestion. Research suggests clove oil may have antibacterial properties, potentially helping fight infections. However, more research is needed to understand its effectiveness in humans. Some studies suggest cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially beneficial for people with diabetes. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. It is important to note here that these are promising areas of research, but more studies are needed to fully understand the effectiveness of cloves for these specific health conditions. Cloves aren't just for cooking. Their numbing and antibacterial properties make them useful in various applications. Here are a few examples. Diluted clove oil can be topically used for toothaches and minor muscle aches. Cloves are a common ingredient in some toothpastes due to their potential antibacterial properties. The warm, spicy aroma of cloves can be used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and relieve stress. While cloves offer potential health benefits, it's crucial to be aware of their side effects, especially when used in large amounts. Clove oil can irritate the skin, especially in high concentrations. It's best to dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil before topical application. Excessive clove consumption can cause stomach upset, nausea, and diarrhea. Cloves may interfere with blood clotting. People with bleeding disorders or scheduled surgery should avoid cloves. Clove oil ingestion, especially in children, can be toxic and lead to serious health problems like seizures, liver damage, and fluid imbalances. Here are some tips for using cloves safely. When using cloves in cooking, you're generally safe. The amount used for culinary purposes is unlikely to cause side effects. If using clove oil topically, always dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil to avoid skin irritation. Talk to your doctor before using cloves medicinally, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. So, cloves are a versatile spice with a long history of use in both culinary applications and traditional medicine. Their unique flavor and aroma add depth to dishes, while the potent compounds they contain offer a range of potential health benefits. Remember, moderation is key. While cloves are generally safe in culinary amounts, be mindful of potential side effects, especially when using clove oil topically. Always consult your doctor before using cloves medicinally. Next time you reach for cloves in the kitchen, remember you are not just adding flavor, you are adding a little bit of history and health potential to your meal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more explorations into the fascinating world of plants, health and wellness. Until next time, keep nourishing your body and soul.